Hi there, today going to learn about how to export the HTML code from Canva. So here I have my Canva website and I'm done editing this website right here. So if you're done, you just click on publish website and then it will show the website right here and then the site address of your website if it would be published. You can click on settings if you want to change some other things right here. But if you're done, just click on publish website and then we will wait for this to load. And then we have our link of our website right here. But we can also click this button right here and it will open up our website. So if you want to get the HTML code, you can just click any blank area of the website and just click on save as. So again, just right click on save as, and then it will provide you an option to download the website. So as you can see, it's already going to download in HTML, and then we'll just save this, wait for the download to be completed, and then you can open this up and then open this in Google Chrome since I'm using Google Chrome. And then this is what the HTML file will look like since we don't have all of the CSS code and other features that is created using the website. We only have the HTML code. But if you want to view the HTML code, again, just click on the file that you have downloaded and then you can choose Notepad or any IDE that you're using for coding. And then here we have our HTML code. So you can proceed to edit this if you want to change some other design options right here. And then obviously you can save this and then input it to another domain to publish the new version of your website. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to export the HTML code from your website. And thank you for watching this video.